Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Electron TV. For today's knowledge sharing video guys, it's about the main engine telegraph power failure alarm. Okay guys, the telegraph guys is a communicating device that transfer command or orders from a wheelhouse or bridge to engine control room. And it's very important guys. And guys, if you are new in my YouTube channel, it will be a pleasure to me guys if you will click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And shout out to Shuttle Marine Electromechanical Training Center. Okay guys, this training center is really good. That's why I always recommend this training center to cadet electrician, ETR and ETO. And now guys, they have online training courses. And the best thing in this training center guys, they will help you if you have a trouble on board. And it's a very helpful guys. That's why I would like to say thank you to instructor Sir Mike. And also shout out to my friend ETO Jaloy TV. Okay guys, this is my problem. Telegraph port side power failure. Look the engine telegraph. There's no light or signal light, and at that time I know that there have problem with the power supply, but I don't know where exactly the breaker, and I need to read the diagram. And now look the starboard engine telegraph. We have a green signal light and there's no problem, only the starboard, and other parameters is nothing, all working. Okay, now guys, here is the manual. Based in the manual, I found the breaker number. Wait, here is the breaker number, 24 volts, telegraph port side, and I'm here in the bridge because the breaker is in the bridge. Okay, I found the breaker guys here, but all the breaker is on and have a supply 24 volts, and I think there's no problem with the breaker. That's why I decided to open one port side engine telegraph here in the bridge to check. Okay guys, here is the engine telegraph for port side. Look, also here in the bridge there's no power. Starboard, okay. When I open guys, I see they have a fuse, and I think that's the reason why there's no supply. Look guys, I check just to show. I remove and I check. Now guys, I remove locks my tester. Test. Okay, now I test the fuse. It's open guys, and I'm sure that's the problem is the fuse. But why the fuse blown from now, I don't know. And I conduct a visual check in this electronic board if we have a damaged part or burned parts that cause the fuse blown. And I observe after I testing if the fuse was blown. Now I test the power supply. We have 24-volt supply. Okay. That's the fuse only. I wish there's no other problem. Now I try to find the fuse and replace it. And let's see what's happened. If there's no other problem, and why is the cause why the fuse was blown? Okay guys, now I already replaced the fuse. Okay, now it's working guys. You see we have a signal light with FWE, means finish with engine. And we try to test other if they have some other problem. From now on, I did not see any problem when I test. So I think I wish only the fuse. And I try to retighten all the contacts. Now guys, I'm here in the engine control room. And look, the engine telegraph have a signal light. Now it's okay. But from now on, I'm not sure why the fuse blown and what is the reason why it's happened. And now look, the alarm signal is gone. Okay, if it's happened again, I make a video when I try to find what exactly the reason why the fuse was blown. From now on guys, that's it. Finish for today. And I hope you learned something in my video. And just to remind guys again, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and also the notification bell. Therefore, you're always notified every time I have a knowledge sharing video. And to all of my subscribers, thank you for your support, and also thank you for watching my video. Take care always guys. Bye.